The corporate world has come a long way when it comes to recognizing the leadership abilities of women.
The most senior position in countries are basically filled with men. Nigeria is quite a beautiful country where we have different people with different abilities. In Nigeria, we tend to overlook some certain things. Nigeria is a country filled with different people, different abilities, and different work. Yes, in Nigeria, you find what you're looking for. If you're still searching, keep searching. If you found, please explore. Today, I'll be shocking you with 4 top CEOs of companies that are women. Let me say, what a man can do, a woman can do better. It is this. So let's dive into the video. Straight up.
Wow, in Nigeria, how dare we say women are left out? However, some brilliant, intelligent women are making waves, leading organizations with investors fund in millions and dollars. I really find this so interesting. So let's look at them and their net worth. Remember, you can be whatever you wish to be. All you need to change is your mindset. So number 4 on my list is Oluwatomi Somefun. Born October 2. She's a Nigeria businesswoman and a banker. She's a graduate of English language from Obafemi Awolowo and backed her PhD at Redeemed University. She's an alumnus of Harvard Business School and University of Columbia Business School, New York, and as well a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountancy of Nigeria. She was once a staff of KPMG and now an executive director of Unity Bank PLC. She earned 41.7 million naira in 2022. Under her leadership, the bank has enjoyed success despite challenges. For her efforts, she received a total compensation of 41.7 million in 2022, an increase from 41.4 million reportedly in 2021. This has actually proven that gender is not an obstacle. She has proven that achievement is all about mindset. Wow, some of her quotes include, "Your words weigh 1,000 tons, so choose them carefully. We underestimate the value of what each of us can do." So, don't just quit yet. You are closer to the finishing line of your challenges than you think. These are really words of encouragement. These are really sentences and quotes to push us and to make us stronger. Okay, the third on my list today is Modupe Olusole, who is the managing director and the chief executive officer of Transcorp Hotels PLC. She is the second woman to lead the organization. Olusola began her career in 2002 as the SME manager of African Capital Alliance. She then held various positions at Teragro Group, including head of marketing and corporate communications. In 2016, she joined United Bank for Africa, known as UBA, as group head of embassies, multilaterals and development organizations and global investment services. March 2020, she was appointed to head Transcorp Hotels by existing board members, becoming the second woman to lead the organization. Before joining Transcorp Hotels PLC, Dupe was group head of marketing at United Bank of Africa, like I said earlier. She has previously served as managing director and chief executive officer of the Nigerian-based agricultural company Teragro Commodities Limited, the agro-business subsidiary. In 2015, as CEO of Teragro, she was named on Venture's Africa's 10 most influential Nigerian CEOs. Dope attended Queen's College, Lagos, where she obtained her GCE O-level in 1991. I wonder how many years back. Wow. After O-level, she enrolled at University of Exeter, UK, United Kingdom, where she graduated in 1996 and went on to obtain a master's degree in development economics from the University of Kent in 1997. She earned 62.7 million naira in 2022, up from 62.6 million naira in 2021. Number 2 on my list is Owen Omogiafo, who is the president and the CEO of Transnational Corporation PLC, a conglomerate of several businesses such as Transcorp Hotels PLC, Terrago Commodities Limited, Transcorp Power Limited, Transafam Power Limited, Transcorp Energy Limited, and Transcorp OPL 281 Limited. She has over 2 decades of corporate experiences in organizational development, human capital management, banking, change management, hospitality, and energy. She sits on the board of Avon Healthcare Limited in a non-executive capacity and is a member of the Finance, member of Investment and Risk Committee, as well as the Audit and Governance Committee of the company. She has also served as a member of the Board of Trustees of the Association of Power Generation Companies in Nigeria. Owen holds a BLc in Sociology, Anthropology from the University of Benin, an MSc in Human Resource Management from the London School of Economics and Political Science, and is an alumnus of the Lagos Business School and IESE Business School, Spain. She is a member of the Chartered Institution of Personnel and Development, UK. She earned 90 million naira in 2022. Let's watch and see what the year holds. Number 1 highest on my list is Nneka Onyeali-Ikpe, who was born in Awka, Anambra State in eastern Nigeria. She also lived in Owerri, Imo State, where she studied at the Federal Government Girls College. She has a law degree from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. She also has a master's degree in law from King's College, London. In 1990, she began working in banking as a legal officer for the now defunct African Continental Bank. She subsequently worked as a treasury officer for the First African Trust Bank. She later joined Zenith Bank and Standard Chartered Bank, respectively. In 2011, she joined Enterprise Bank as an executive director of the bank's operations in Lagos and other locations in the southwestern region of Nigeria. With over 30 years experience across various banks, she assumed office as managing director and CEO of Fidelity Bank on January 1st, 2021, succeeding Nnamdi Okonkwo. She was previously executive director of Lagos and Southwest, overseeing the bank's business in the 6 states that makes up the southwest region of the bank. Nneka Onyeali-Ikpe, CEO of Fidelity Bank PLC, is the highest earning female CEO among listed Nigerian companies. She earned over 110 million naira in 2022 and earned same as the previous years. Wow. With this, I believe you should know by now that women are really rising to take their places and to take opportunities given to them to make greater use of them. So thank you so much for joining today. I sincerely appreciate for staying to the end of this. Believe you me, you need to subscribe to get more informations, because if you are not informed, you will be deformed. All right, and thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Do have a nice day. Bye.